Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So get ready to dive into the exciting world of technology with us. Just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. So guys, in today's video, TrapTech is going to teach you about search engine marketing services. So search engine marketing services refer to a set of online marketing strategies and techniques aimed at promoting websites and businesses by increasing their visibility on search engine result pages through paid advertising. So SEM primarily involves two main approaches. First, search engine advertising and then search engine optimization. Search engine advertising. This is the paid component of SEM where advertisers bid on specific keywords to display their ads on search engine result pages. The most common platform for SEA is Google Ads, but other search engines like Bing also offer similar advertising options. Here's how search engine advertising works. First, keyword research, then ad creation, then bidding, ad display, and the last performance tracking. Now the second method, which is search engine optimization. While not paid advertising method, SEO is another crucial aspect of SEM that focuses on optimizing websites to improve their organic, non-paid search engine ranking. SEO involves various techniques to enhance a website's visibility and relevance in search results, including keyword optimization, content creation, link building, technical SEO, user experience, and local SEO. So, SEM services or search engine services are typically offered by digital marketing agencies and professionals who specialize in managing and optimizing paid search campaigns and organic search strategies to drive targeted traffic, increase conversions, and achieve specific marketing objectives. So guys, I hope that this video has removed all your confusion about search engine marketing services. So like this video, share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel Shark Tech. Thank you guys, that's all for today.